So the Lhakar Award for Activism goes to an individual that I think every one of us knows of or has seen online, just completely mobilizing people, energizing people. And the winner for the Lhakar Award for Activism is Jigme Ugen. Yes, please. Jigme Ugen came here all the way from Minnesota to attend Norsang night. The Lhakar Award for Activism goes to Jigme Ugen for his outstanding leadership as a grassroots organizer and digital activist in the Tibetan freedom movement. I think I may not be wrong if I say that every one of us here in this room, or maybe like 99% of us, follow Jigme Ugen on social media, whether it be Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I think everybody in our world and in many different circles know Jigme Ugen for his amazing activism. And he's not just someone behind the computer and on his phone. He's someone who's always on the streets, completely, energizing people with his powerful speeches. And I personally am a big fan of Jigme Ugen, so it's an honor for me to be here to help present the Lhakar Award for Activism to Jigme Ugen. Thank you so much. And I'd like to ask Jigme Ugen to say a few words.
Thank you. I was just talking about being a Tibetan. You are expected to be an activist. You are born an activist, especially if you're living in Tibet or even in exile. My father is from Thau, and I made a commitment to my father that one day I'll take him back to Tibet. He died in exile. And once we tried going to the Chinese embassy, and the embassy actually denied both of us visas. Because I was very involved with the Tibetan Youth Congress, and they said what I do in exile is reason enough to not get a visa to Tibet. I was denied and he was denied. It was one of probably the saddest things I had to face. But then when I got home, he said that it was one of his proudest moments, being a father of an activist. Meant a lot. And so I think I dedicate this award to every Tibetan who's died in exile, every child in exile who's not been able to complete his or her parents' wishes, and to every Tibetan born in Tibet, a born activist. And hopefully we can all go back to a free Tibet. Touche.